ka na lang muna.
Hi guys! We're getting ready. Papunta ng Palawan. Kasi mag-i-stay lang kami sa hotel. Mag-work lang kami doon.
Hey guys! Welcome to day 1 of our Palawan adventure. So today, we're flying from Manila to Puerto Princesa via AirAsia at Terminal 2. We were supposed to fly out at 3 p.m. but classic rainy season problem, so we got delayed. It was raining so hard and we didn't leave until 6 p.m.-ish. The flight was around 1.5 hours, but honestly it felt way longer. There was a lot of turbulence and we were holding on the whole time. Once we landed, we grabbed some quick food, then rode a tricycle to check in at Mame, which is conveniently near the airport. The usual trek fee is around 100 to 150 pesos. I'm gonna give you a quick tour at this lodging that I booked at booking.com. So this costs around 1,200 per night, including taxes, but without it, it's just around 990 pesos. The room was pretty cozy. We actually liked it overall, except the linens kind of smelled like they weren't dried properly, maybe because it's been raining nonstop. The room is pretty much spacious. We were also able to put the table outside, and this is the comfort room. There's hot and cold water. There's also a bidet, and it's very clean. If you are in need of medicine or grocery, this place is very convenient because it's only across Palawan Plaza. As for dinner, we had spam with rice, tteokbokki, and bibimbap. We still have 4, so see you tomorrow.